All right, what's up, guys? I have something cool for you today. About a week ago, I used this stuff here. Now, this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. Now, I wasn't necessarily going to make a video on this stuff just because, I don't know, I wasn't. But it has been a week driving with the 14 wides, in rain, in sun, and the truck still looks absolutely killer. There's barely any dried water spots. There's no streaks. There's nothing like that. It was raining very hard the other day, and the water was beading very, very well. And basically, it has me impressed. Now, I used the Meguiar's as a standalone product, and how I did it was different from any way I've seen it on YouTube or Google or even directly from the guys from Meguiar. So I don't know if it's the correct way. I don't know if it's the wrong way. But the way I did it really made this truck shine. Like the depth of this for a quick detail kind of thing, like a quick spray ceramic hybrid spray wax stuff is very good, and it has lasted amazing over the course of a week. But as you can see, like there's like obviously like heavy mud and stuff like right there from the wheels from whenever. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Yesterday we did some testing for potential dirt drag spot. So I'm gonna put a clip up real quick with that. And through all that dust and through all that stuff yesterday, this is how dirty the truck is. And it's really not even that dirty. The dirty part is back here on the tailgate. You can see the dust. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to do it. But I'm going to pull it outside really quick, and we're going to throw some water on it. We're going to see how it beads a week in. All right, so now that we're outside, you can see it a little better on kind of where we're at. Now this all wasn't here before yesterday, before the dust, before we did that dirt drag thing. So I'm gonna spray it with some water to see if we could do like a no-touch wash, and then maybe reapply it, because there's several steps. We're gonna touch on those here in a second. I'm just trying to give you guys a real overview of like a week in with that stuff on it. Up until yesterday, the truck was absolutely super deep shine, crazy clean, but the dust is just sticking on it now. You know, you guys are gonna roast me for this, but you can see it. All right, guys, I had to grab the camera because this is crazy. Watch this. You see that? That's incredible. You can see that no actual contaminant has stuck to the truck. There's nothing that's stuck that would need like a wash mitt or something like that to remove. I can simply just go around and spray with water and get everything clean. I am pretty impressed so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse the rest of the truck off. I'm gonna get all the dust off. You can see the dust back here. It's pretty bad. And then we'll talk about how I applied my first base coat, because I think that's what matters. If you apply your first base coat right, you're gonna be set. Real quick, I do want to note that I started with a clean, dry vehicle. There was no water on this fender previously. It was clean and it was dry. Now this is the exact way that I laid my base coat of this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic spray wax. First things first, you got to get a bucket of just clean water. It's all you need, clean water, and you want to get a brand new microfiber. So take that microfiber, put it in the water bucket. So you take that microfiber out of the water, you wring it out real good so it's nice and damp. You know, you don't want it sopping, dripping wet, but, you know, damp towel. So then you take your product and you spray your product on. Now you got to pull the trigger hard so it comes out as a nice mist. If you don't pull it hard, it kind of just squirts out more of a stream. You want a nice mist all over the fender. Now with this product here, you don't really want to go with an excessive amount, because it spreads and it activates as it's on the panel rather than just loading it up. So after you get a nice mist layer on the fender, you take your damp microfiber that you previously wrung out. Now what you're going to do with this damp microfiber, this is going to act as the water barrier to spread and activate the active ingredients in the product. Also, it's going to remove the carrying agents inside the product. So you're going to spread it around, even it out with the damp microfiber, as you can see here, and then you're going to sit and you're going to let it glaze over. It almost glazes over like a wax, which is kind of interesting. You can definitely tell that there's wax in the product. So after it's glazed over, you'll be able to tell. I really didn't wait any special period of time. I kind of just waited until I could visually see it glaze over, and then I took a brand new clean dry microfiber and I buffed it clean. As you're going, you can tell when, you know, the product is buffed out and it's clean and it's smooth. You don't see any lines, you don't see any wet towel streaks, anything like that. You'll be able to obviously see that you are ready to roll. And all right, guys, just like that, we have a amazing fender. Now this, the camera does not do this justice. The depth to this fender, there's an ant on my camera. The depth to this fender is absolutely unreal. So here is the part where I sprayed it on wet and then sprayed it off with the water and then just towel dried it. So you can see, you know, there's some depth, but you can still see some towel streaks and stuff like that. So technically this has to be, you know, gone over with another dry towel and kind of buffed out. But this here, starting with a towel dry product, spraying it on, spreading it around with the damp microfiber, and then taking a dry one and buffing it off, is absolutely unbelievable. And we do know that the proper water beading agents are activated properly because we sprayed it with the pressure washer when we first started the wash. I'll put a clip here, and you can see how the water just completely falls off. So real quick, also, I want to add in, whenever I'm looking for like some type of quick detailer, because I'm all about the quick stuff. I know everyone's kind of schedule's limited and no one has the hours upon hours to sit here and, you know, go through all these products on your car. And honestly, the technology nowadays is getting absolutely crazy with fast car care products. But what I always look for is I want to enhance the shine and I want to protect the paint. Now, you've seen with the water pressure wash spray off that any mud and contaminant that was on this vehicle came off with zero effort, just with water. And we're probably running right around like 2,000 PSI, have that thing turned down just a little bit. And everything, any particle, any piece of mud, any old water stain that was there, completely came right off. So the thing is definitely protected, and also the shine is just enhanced. I mean, you guys got to see it in person. Alrighty, guys, we got her in the garage, and I went over it one more time with a light spray of this, leveled it out with a damp microfiber, and buffed it off with a dry one. Now, the truck is absolutely unbelievable. So halfway through this video, filming it, I was like, yeah, we got to do a video title change, because before this was just going to be a review of this product. Simply just review it and, you know, say what I thought. But halfway through, I figured that what it has to be now is the absolute best way to use Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. Starting with a dry, clean vehicle, taking a damp microfiber, leveling it out, letting it glaze over, and then buffing it off with a dry one. The results are definitely better. Obviously, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm not sponsored in any way of Meguiar's. I literally, when I was getting brake pads the other day at like Advanced Auto or whatever, I seen this next to the counter, and I'm like, huh. You know, I've seen it around here and there, and I figured, let's give it a try. And it turned into this whole thing. Now, I'm about a week in since I did this last. I'm about a week in. We had a bunch of rainstorms, drove it all around. You've seen where it was in the beginning. Now, with where it was after I dried the vehicle, I don't think you'd have to do it every single time. I could be wrong. Meguiar's guys are probably watching this video like cringing, like, oh, dude, he don't know what he's talking about. But we're gonna see exactly how long it's gonna last. I'm gonna try to let it go. I was just super impressed after the first week on how it handled the water and how it handled the road grime. I mean, 14 wides, it's the best way to test a detail product on a vehicle, because it throws stuff all over the truck. I'll go down the road 2 feet, truck will be plastered. right, guys, that is it. I am finished. Let me know what you think of the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. I'm gonna do some more of these videos. I really enjoyed doing them. This was an amateur detailer's review. I don't know. What do you guys think?
You guys want to see something cool? I hope you didn't click off yet, because look at this. Oh man, the truck looks absolutely incredible. I'm a little pumped about it, as you can tell, but check it out. Just park your truck in the yard, get a nice picture, thumbnail, pictures for the gram. Content opportunity seized. But all right, guys, there you have it. Black F-250, Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. If you made it this far, you are freaking awesome.